track is a American Flyer, and of all the American Flyers that I've had, this is my favorite one. This is a hard one to find. It was made around 1938, 1939. Got a few skins. The cab appears to be repainted on the top. The sides are good. The white framework on the sides appears to be repainted also. The headlight works, it's got nice brass trim. It has an electronic reversing unit. It looks like a new unit solid state that somebody put in there. And it works great, super smooth as far as reversing, stopping, stops, goes to neutral, reverse is very quiet, no hum. Whoever did it did a fantastic job. Okay, now the cars are being sold separately, and they're from the same era, about 1939. Again, some very hard cars to find. They are the 3171 and 3172. It's got a very clean 3199 fender.